Please select your character. Iron Tiger.
Mechanical Man Beast!
The wheel of fate is turning. Riddle 1. Action.
Critical! Gimme! Any last words? This is what it means. Oh, you two get up.
Tiger wins. Riddle 2. Action.
Hey, Coconut. Nothing.
Tiger wins.
Do you enjoy picking fights with me? You're no different from a perpetually hungry child. No problem. Now, where were we? Ah, yes. Shall we begin?
The wheel of fate is turning. Riddle 1. Action.
I can calculate. Emerald. I'm surprised you survived this long.
Tiger wins. Riddle 2. Action.
One of the 6 here. Back on the battlefield then. I never thought I would beat 4 of the 6 heroes. That all of you have come does not bode well for our world.
Sector
Show
7's
me
Red Devil.
your power!
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal 1. Action.
Sonic Collider! I'm surprised you survived this long.
Tiger win. Regal 2. Action. Tiger win.
Whatever your task may be, you are still nothing more than a tool of the library. Don't waste your breath to try and give me orders.
Tiger, I need to talk to you.
I'm on duty right now. I'll have to ask you to make it quick.
I'm sorry.
So, what is it you need?
Please, I need to talk to the professor. I've realized that I don't think I can save him without her help. Please help me.
I must speak my mind, Lychee. You need to drop this case. I understand your feelings, but Sector 7 and the library are beginning to catch wind of this. If you do something foolish, the consequences will be irreversible. I do not think Kokonoe would wish to see that either.
But I've come too far to turn back now.
This discussion is going nowhere. Lychee, I'm aware of your feelings for him, but I must be frank with you. It is too late for him. I doubt even Kokonoe could help someone as far gone as he is. Let me take care of him. I suggest you find a way to...
Tiger, show this ignorant kid what she's dealing with. Professor! The wheel of fate is turning. Eagle 1. Action. More than that.
I'm impressed.
Tiger wins. Perfect. Regal 2. Action. Professor, please hear me out.
Kokonoe.
Pretty worthless assistant. Pick her up. There was a big spike in your brainwaves there. What's up?
Oh, I only thought it was a little funny that you still call Light-G your assistant.
What? That's strange.
You're Arachne.
The wheel of fate is turning. Rebel 1, action.
Emerald! Disappointment.
Saber win. Rebel 2, action.
Sonic Collider! Light Disappointment. Releasing Armageddon! That ought to put you out of commission for a few days. Now, stay put. Show me how you destroyed Ikaruga.
Withdraw. This is not your fight.
The wheel of fate is turning. Rebel 1, action.
Collider! Gigantic Trigger! Emerald! I see you have some potential.
Saber win. Rebel 2, action.
Gigantic Trigger! Heroes are so common these days.
Saber win.
You've fallen quite far, hero. Of course, you are too dangerous.
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, one, action.
Shut it!
Counter. Don't you finish.
This is the Grim Reaper.
Tiger, win. Regal, two, action.
Shut it! Blinded by power.
Tiger, win.
The Azure Grimoire is indeed the strongest of grimoires. Yes, if you exclude certain people.
All right. Tager, don't move.
Time-space warp complete.
The Murakumo unit? What the hell is it doing here?
Keep your shirt on. This one's mine. I want to run a few tests, so I thought I'd send it over.
Oh no. Don't tell me this is the 11th subject.
Yes, it is. She was in pretty bad shape after you hauled her back from Ikaruga, but I've got her up to about 90%. Just need to wait for the idea sector now.
The idea sector.
Kind of like a causality weapon. Sort of like an upgraded version of yours. The idea sector is independent. Sort of non-entangled, observational, quantum region. But since its essence itself is a contradiction, unless it's able to observe itself, then harvesting degenerated energy from the accelerated and unstable protons would be...
You can tell me the rest later. What do you need me to do?
Well, for now, how about you just fight it?
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, one, action.
I dare you! Atomic Collider! Gigantic Figure! Emerald! Tiger!
Don't you finish.
I see you have some potential.
Tiger, win. Perfect. Regal, two, action.
Calculate everything. Releasing
in the eye. But there's a harmonic reaction to the similar composition. Lambda, return. I need to tweak some stuff.
Affirmative.
Sorry to waste your time, Taylor. You can head back to looking for Noel Vermillion now.
Understood.
Tager,
What is it?
Taro, Hazama, don't fight him just yet.
Understood. I will avoid confrontation if the situation permits.
The Red Devil.
Hakumen, what are you doing here? Hey, Kokonoe, what's going on?
I summoned him.
Rachel, what the hell do you think you're doing? Wasn't I clear enough the last time I told you to piss off?
I must ask you, Grimalkin, why did you use the Murakumo?
I don't need to explain myself to you. I can't interrupt the continuum. Tager, destroy Hakumen!
Why not come to battle yourself? You have within you the blood of this world's two strongest beings. Surely you have inherited enough power to stand against Terrorly.
Tager, eliminate the threat right now. That's an order.
What's the matter, Kokonoe? This isn't like you. Calm down.
I sense hesitation. While it may rank to do with that blood-sucking fiend desires of me, after what I have seen, I cannot stand idly by. I will ask you once again, Red Devil, do you truly believe that Kokonoe is worthy of your trust?
I have already answered that ridiculous question. I have no intention of changing my mind.
I see. I am the White Void. I am the cold steel. I am the just sword. With blade in hand, shall I reap the sins of this world and cleanse it in the flames of destruction. I am Hakumen. The end has come.
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, one, action.
You still have a ways to go. Any last words? This is what it is. Settle down, rookie.
Tager, win. Regal, two, action.
Impressive, Red Devil, but I am not finished yet.
No, Mr. Hero. Your time is up.
Is this fate then? Or perhaps a curse? Take care, Red Devil. The next time we meet will be the last.
Kokonoe,
Those bastards.
sure is a surprise. I didn't think you would show up.
Hey, you. What the hell is going on here? Getting all sorts of abnormal readings. What? This is in the database. These readings. The Black Beast.
Ah, you must be Sector 7's Red Devil. You know, it's a real pleasure to meet you. Although, I got this feeling we've met before. I'm Hazama, from the NOL.
You're Hazama?
Shit! He's gotten this far already? God damn it. Lambda still isn't active. Tager! You've got to back off for now! Hey! Tager!
I remember these readings. They're the same as the ones I took when we tried to retrieve the subject from Ikaruga.
Tager!
Sorry.
Tager, get a grip. Look, I'm sorry, but I gotta take back what I said earlier. You need to buy us some time. Noel Vermillion is right there. He's about to start smelting.
Hey, Kokonoi. Did you say Noel Vermillion? Where did you take Noel?
Where'd I take her? You crack me up. Come on! You're not that slow, big guy. Isn't that Azure something else? Smelting without a cauldron or a flawless lifelink. Ah!
Don't tell me that thing is Noel?
Sure is. But wouldn't you know it? She's not presentable just yet. So, I've got a little time to kill before the lady wakes up. What do you say you and I take this baby for a spin? Restriction 666 released. Dimensional interface force field deployed.
What? No, that's...
You ever seen real power before, Metal Man? Code SOL. Blaze Blue, activate.
That's impossible. The Blaze Blue?
So, what do you say, Sector 7? Shall we dance?
The wheel of fate is turning. Reboot 1. Action.
Oi!
I see you have some potential.
Tager win. Reboot 2. Action.
You dodge. Gigantic Trigger! Gigantic Trigger! I can calculate everything. Releasing harmony!
Well, thanks for the entertainment, big guy. Really helped get the blood flowing.
Oh, are you seriously trying to resurrect the Black Beast?
The Black Beast? What the hell would I want with that failed experiment?
Failed experiment?
Yeah, a huge failure. Real pain in the ass to keep the cauldron under control. But hey, we learned all sorts of shit in the process, so, you know.
Cauldron?
Yeah, the cauldron. What, did I mumble? The cauldron's the grimoire's original form. It gathers souls to smelt the sword inside its body. That was our little pet, the beast.
What?
come on! Weren't you paying attention? The Murakumo unit is incomplete. Needs the power of the Grimoire. The 13th sample wouldn't shut up about it. Remember? But this one's different. This thing embodies the true Azure. Now, Murakumo, activate! This whole world is nothing but lies. Lies! Let me show you what I like to call the truth. The truth called despair. In the name of Susanoo, I command you, Murakumo, awaken! Behold the sword of the Godslayer, Kusanagi! Let all lies fall before your divine blade! Finally, I've got the true successor to the Azure. Try and stop me now, Master Unit. Amaterasu!
Now I've learned of another possibility. Good moves out there, bud. But really, I owe you thanks. All of the possibilities of this world, the continuum shift, I will make it mine!
Don't think this'll be easy.
It's time for a little punishment.
Destruction. That is my rise and death. The wheel of fate is turning.
Fireball. You talk.
One. Action.
Oh damn it. You talk.